Exploring wildlife and nature is always exciting. And you found time for that. Let us visit these marvelous living beings together. Will you please share the video with your friends too? The Kentish plover is a small cosmopolitan shorebird of the family Charadriidae that breeds on the shores of saline lakes, lagoons, and coasts, population sand dunes, marshes, semi-arid desert, and tundra. Both male and female birds have pale plumages with a white underside, grey-brown back, dark legs, and a dark bill. However, additionally the male birds also exhibit very dark incomplete breast bands and dark markings either side of their head. Therefore, the Kentish plover is regarded as sexually dimorphic. Charadrius alexandrinus has a large geographical distribution, occupying North Africa, both mainland, such as Senegal, and island, such as the Cape Verde archipelago, Central Asia, for example alkaline lakes in China, and Europe, including small populations in Spain and Austria. Some populations are migratory and often winter in Africa, whereas other populations, such as various island populations, do not migrate. Kentish plovers are ground-nesting birds, often with a preference for low, open, moist nesting sites away from thick vegetation and human activity. They use a number of materials to build their nests, mainly consisting of shells, pebbles, grass and leaves in a small scrape in the ground. Like most plovers, the Kentish plovers are predominantly insectivores, feeding on a large range of arthropods and invertebrates depending on the environment by using a run and stalk method. Both male and female birds have black bills and dark legs. However, adults have dimorphic plumage. During the breeding season, males have a black horizontal head bar, two incomplete dark breast bands on each side of their breast, black ear coverts, and a rufous nape and crown, whereas the females are paler in these areas, without the dark markings. In the early breeding season, it is easy to distinguish between males and females since the ornaments are very pronounced, but as the breeding season progresses, the differences between the two sexes decrease. Moreover, males have longer tarsi and longer flank feathers than females. Longer flank feathers are thought to be an advantage for incubation and brood care, as the quality of feathers is associated with heat insulation. There are multiple significant predictors of plumage ornamentation in Kentish plovers. Firstly, the interaction between the advancement of the breeding season and rainfall seem to affect ornamentation. Male ornaments become more elaborated over the course of a breeding season in regions with high rainfall, whereas in regions with low rainfall, male ornaments become lighter. Secondly, the interaction between the breeding system and the sex can predict the degree of plumage ornamentation. In polygamous populations, the sexual ornaments are more pronounced, generating a stronger sexual dimorphism than in monogamous populations. The difference is especially witnessed in males, whereby the ornaments are darker and smaller in polygamous populations compared to monogamous populations, where males have lighter and larger ornaments. Kentish plovers either forage individually or in loose flocks of 20 to 30 individuals, and occasionally can incorporate into larger flocks of up to 260 individuals of multiple species. Their main source of food consists of miniature aquatic and terrestrial invertebrates such as insects and their larvae, mollusks, crustaceans, spiders, and marine worms. Yes, you have made it. That was so nice of you. And listen, I will look for you again pretty soon. Till then, ciao.